Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. In this lecture we will study grammar book lesson 3 in which our topic is past perfect tense. Let's start to learn it. Open your book on page 8 students. Past perfect tense. We know the meaning of past is the time that has gone. Perfect mean complete, while tense show time of action. So the definition will be the past perfect tense is used to talk about an action completed at some definite time in the past before the beginning of some other action. Students, we can say the easy definition that the work that had totally completed in the time of past is called past perfect tense. What is past perfect tense? I repeat again. Its easy definition. Note it that the work that had totally completed in the time of past. The work that had totally completed in the time of past is called past perfect tense. In Urdu identification, students, if any Urdu sentence end with the words alif or ya, like चुका था, हो गया था, हो चुके थे, etc. So recognize that this is past perfect tense, which you will translate it into English according to the structure. And what is structure? Structure of affirmative or simple sentence is that subject plus auxiliary verb, which is had, plus past participle plus object. Subject plus had plus past participle plus object plus full stop. Students, past participle means third form of verb, while had is used with all types of nouns and pronouns. If it is I, you, we, they, he, she, it, single or plural noun, we use had. Subject plus had plus past participle plus object plus full stop. We already know the definition of subject and object. For example, she had solved the paper. Full stop. In negative sentence, the structure will be subject plus had plus not plus past participle plus object. Students, we add just not after the auxiliary verb had in our sentence. In negative sentence structure, we add just not after the auxiliary. Then other structure is same. Interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, we exchange auxiliary verb with subject. Auxiliary verb means had. Had is written in the beginning of the sentence, and at the end of the sentence we put question mark. So the sentence is had she solved the paper plus question mark. Students, this is the exercise. Fill in the blanks with correct form of the verb to make past perfect tense. The words that is closed in brackets, these are the verbs, these are the first form of verb. You will change it into third form of verb to make past perfect tense, and also use auxiliary verb had. We had thrown the bits of paper before mother entered the room. Number second, many Muslims had migrated to other places before the war broke out. She had come to Quetta. Students, come is verb, so the word come, you should close it into brackets, and this is the third form of verb, come, came, come. They had recited some verses before she offered prayers. People had forgotten the teachings of past prophets before the advent of Islam. Exercise B. Change the following sentences into negative. Students, we know its structure, that we add just not after the auxiliary verb. I had reached the school before it started. I had not reached the school before it started. The doctor had already seen the patient. The doctor had not already seen the patient. We had decided to play a match. We had not decided to play a match. The teacher had examined our test papers before the new term started. The teacher had not examined our test paper before the new term started. I had brought toys for my baby sister before she demanded. I had not brought, students write T with the word brought. I had not brought toys for my baby sister before she demanded. Exercise C. Change the following sentences into interrogative. We know its structure. We write had in the beginning of the sentence. Other structure is same. The gardener had watered the plants before it rained. Had the gardener watered the plants before it rained? Put question mark. The police had caught the thief before he escaped. Had the police caught the thief before he escaped? Put question mark. Miss Maria had not left the class before the bell rang. Had Miss Maria, students, write M of the Miss in capital form. Had Miss Maria, and also M is written in capital form. Had Miss Maria not left the class before the bell rang? He had already missed the vein. Had he already missed his vein? Children had combed their hair before they had breakfast. Had children combed their hair before they had breakfast? Put question mark. Exercise D. Translate the following into English. डॉक्टर अम्मी को दवा दे चुका था. We know the meaning of दवा. English meaning is medicine. The doctor had given medicine to mother. Given is the third form of give. क्या इसकी बिल्ली मर चुकी थी? Had his cat died? Put question mark. उस्ताद के पूछने से पहले मैंने जुमले बना लिए थे. I had made the sentences before the teacher asked. उसने खाना खाने से पहले नमाज पढ़ ली थी. She had offered the prayer before taking the meal. Offered is the third form of verb, is past participle of offer. तुमने नाश्ता नहीं किया था. You had not taken the breakfast. Students, this is your activity. Make 5 example of past perfect tense in practice copy or rough copy and do this work in your grammar book with pencil. Students, in description here is a link given to you. Students, search the link and take the class of calligraphy lesson 5. Stay safe at home. God bless you.